Okay, might as well use the rest of my minnows up here. See if anybody's around. It would appear they're up shallow again. There we go. Oh no! Okay, get that one. Pretty sure that last one was 21. So we're not doing too bad. I only got 1,000 of them, but pretty happy with 21 for a number so far. I think I got about 10, 15 minnows left. Got another one. I think these guys are just on that live minnow bite right now. Because every time I throw a new minnow out, that's when I get a fish. New minnow. Oh, had one. Yeah, these guys they're hot for that nice new fresh wiggly minnow. Getting low on minnows, but every time I cast one, it's pretty close to a good conversion rate. So definitely gonna just burn through the rest of these guys, and then we'll see if they'll eat the paddle tails afterwards. But just like that. This is the way it's supposed to be. Oh no. Got too confident. But you guys get the idea. There we go.